We're in Southwest Waterfront today and 2 blocks away from the wharf. If you thought you couldn't find a row house on a quiet cul-de-sac that's beautifully renovated, think again, we've got you covered. Let's check it out. This is the first of 2 beautifully renovated bathrooms. Check out this tub, it's gorgeous. The star of the show, this beautifully updated kitchen and this marble counter, I love it. The walnut cabinets are gorgeous. And see how it beautifully integrates the living room and dining room. On the upper 2 levels, you'll find hardwood floors throughout and recessed lighting. And here we are in the primary bath with dual vanities, completely renovated with beautiful design palette and that amazing shower. And check out this private patio in back. This place is a perfect spot for hanging out, and it's south facing, so it's gonna have all your light most of the day. Thanks so much for checking it out. If you have any questions or would like to take a private tour, DM me.